Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can download Duolingo app in laptop. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to download Duolingo in your laptop, all you need to do is simply tap open your app store if you are on MacBook. So simply tap on App Store and type in Duolingo in the search bar. So once you type in Duolingo in your search bar, you will end up in this page where you can find Duolingo language and more. So simply tap on the get button and hit the install button as well. After you do so, you need to now type in your Apple ID and type in the password of your Apple ID and tap on get. So once you type in the correct password for your account, you need to now simply be ready as your Duolingo app will start to get installed in your device. So once you tap on it, you can see that your Duolingo app is successfully downloaded. Then you can simply open it by tapping on open. So in this way, you can simply download the Duolingo app on your laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.